Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Cosplay Evo here with another video. Today's kind of a different video. It's gonna be the making of my suit because I was gonna build in parts to help you guys out, but I was on a severe con crunch, so I decided to make a video about me designing the whole thing. So, and I doubt anyone, if anyone does want to make this, just let me know, and you guys can take some inspiration off these videos and you know, make your own cosplay if you would like. But without further ado, let's do the making of Aaron Aikman. Alright, so this I made the chest piece. I actually wrapped myself with aluminum foil. I actually didn't do it by myself. I had my friends. As you can see, it's mirrored onto the piece of foam, and I drew out the spider, made a template for that. If you want the file for that, just let me know. Here are the app pieces. You can see a little bit of editing magic there, right there. I had to cut out the spider out, and I had to scrap 2mm foam. It's best to get a full 2mm foam. I made the whole chest piece on some scrap, so I glued it onto the 2mm, and you can see as you can see, it's right there on the chest plate. It's like actually pretty good. I did cut out some loose pieces to fill in those gaps. Just hit everything with a black base, basically. Wait until this is dry, and then I'm gonna mask it, cover everything in red. Now for this part, I highly recommend you guys have a friend to come help you glue this to your shirt, because I did this by myself. It was kind of a hassle. It is manageable, but it is a lot harder than without it. But as you can see, this is how it looks on the shirt, and all glued, 360 view. And there's you know, drew all the lines with Sharpie again. Use a straight edge for some of these lines. Now I should have put that back piece on with the shoulders so the webs line up, because the webs did not line up with the shoulder pieces. I did that without gluing on it. I should have done it, but hey, that's my own fault. And here's the shoulder pieces I made. I didn't get myself cutting it, making the template, but I did do it. Now we move on to the forearm pieces. Now these were not that hard to make. Actually, one of the easiest parts of this build. As you can see, I first thought of elastic, but then I just realized I couldn't get my arm through, so I switched to Velcro. So I had to scrap 2mm and glued like a little tab under it, and glued on some excess Velcro I had laying around. As you can see, these are how they fit, how they come off. Actually pretty good. A lot of sweat was in there just from gluing it on, and it was a hot day that day, unfortunately. I believe triple digits. As you can see, these are the panel pieces. I actually freehanded all of these, and that was a straight edge, and I cut this one on a 45-degree angle. That way it has a little bit of peak. All you need to do is just glue it. Hit it with the coat of red, as you can see. And those hands, I actually got it from Sean Craft's Iron Man gloves, so it's based off that. And as you can see, I'm masking up. Use saran wrap. Do not use aluminum foil. I got a better form from it for the leg parts. Unfortunately, I didn't record any of the leg parts, but I do have pictures. I will show you towards the end of this. I'm just masking off my my forearm pieces, so I can just paint some of the accents like navy blue. Because the inner parts, I thought they were black, they're actually navy blue, so I picked up a can of navy blue and spray painted those. And that's all I have for you guys. I'm so sorry that I didn't record any of these. I was supposed to record each part individually, so I get more in depth and detail. But I decided, since I was running short on time, I decided to go the first day as Chainsaw Man. I'll throw some pictures right here. And shout out to all you guys who got some pictures with me and DM'd me on Instagram. How you seen the compliment of my cosplay. Thank you very much. But I did the first day as Chainsaw Man and the second day as Spider-Man and Iron Aikman. And I'll throw up some photos there too. And second day I also got to meet some Power Rangers, so I'll throw a video right there. I think it was 2 years ago. You gonna play that?
Something you shot?
Yeah. I got my Legacy Morpher, and that's the first thing I actually made for it.
Oh, really? Yeah. Let's check it out. Ready? Let's see what you did. Make sure you got it.
That was during the Operation Overdrive.
remember it. It's good, man.
I did it side by side.
That's cool, man. That's awesome. Love it. Excellent. Yeah, that was fun. It's fun to add a little bit more to the morph thing.
Yeah. I love like the new sequence when you morph. Is like the background and everything.
I dug it, yeah.
Anyways, this is how I made my Aaron Aikman Spider-Man suit. Hope you guys enjoyed it and liked this video. And yeah, I'm going to be doing more Spider-Man projects in the near future. Still undecided yet. But what I am going to be doing is cosplay 101 foam smithing. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a 10-part series. I can't wait for this. Sorry for these kind of jumbled up video. Just needed to edit it and get it out there as soon as possible. So yeah, if you guys like this video, comment, like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace out.